Hello and welcome to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to turn your Snapchat account public. If you ever wondered why you weren't able to turn your account public, this video will help you a lot. Open the Snapchat, go to your profile. There you can see my public profile option. Press on it, and this is your public profile and how your profile will be viewed. You can add photos and a lot of contents in this section. Now go to settings, scroll a bit down, go to your privacy control, and you should turn off and on some of the things. You should use your Bitmoji for all of your friends. You should turn your contact me to friends and contacts. You should go down to the comment sections and approve to all. You should allow everyone to add you via quick add. Your activity indicator should be turned on, and the location should always be turned on. This way, your account will be public. Go to My Profile section, and if you go to Spotlight, you can see these are the stories which you can add. This is not being able to add because of the limited of viewers. If you press this, the story will be showed in your public profile. You can also see the insights, and you can also see the subscriber count. This is how you turn your private account into public in Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. See you soon. Until then, take care.